छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमान देखो झूमता गगन
Come in with. We like to loosen things up, get the muscle tissue ready to receive a really good adjustment. It does sound like a power tool, but it doesn't hurt, right, Tony?
No.
Just feels good, right?
Feels great.
All right. So her low back's been bugging her a little bit. And a lot of the times that means the spine's just getting locked up in the low back. And there are things that sometimes stretching and exercising won't release, so sometimes you got to get in and get the spine to let go, line everything back up. And then if things are extra tight, you come in and you see Tony, you get a massage, and she gets it all that loosened up for you. All right, we're going to hit the shoulder. Was the right shoulder, right, Tony?
Yes.
Yes. Right.
It feels so good.
It feels so good. And I need to have a home version. We're all in black today. We're the ninjas of chiropractic.
Woohoo!
All right, so now what we're going to do, and I'll probably, yeah, you can do it from that angle. So with Tony's got a few areas in her upper back that aren't quite in the right spot. So we're going to gently but effectively straighten her out. All right, Tony, are you ready?
Yes.
You are ready. Breathe in for me, please. Exhale for me. Relax. Very good. Nice and crunchy, just like the peanut butter I enjoy. Another breath right there. Exhale here. You get half chiropractic, half comedy, so it's kind of a good combo. It's not good comedy, but at least it's something. Another breath there, T. Exhale here. Perfect. Now we're getting into the zone of tension. And with Tony, her left leg is a little shorter, not literally, but it has to do with her hips. When your hips rotate out of position, it will make one leg seem longer than the other because that's where it all connects. So Tony, if you could, I'm going to have you turn, lay on your right shoulder and face me this way. Pretty please. Those are some snazzy shoes too. I like those. All right. So pull her a little here. Put her into a pretzel. Relax. Drop the body. Good. Perfect, Tony. Very good. Other side, please. Other side, please.
Yes.
And then on this side, because there's a little more rotation in the spine, we need to de-rotate her. Whereas on the other side, it was more with her pelvis. So this side, we're trying to unrotate her lumbar spine because it's pulling the wrong direction. So it's a little bit different move. Perfect. Very good, Tony. Very good. Face up for me, please. Now, because the neck does connect all the way to the lower back, we're also going to adjust your neck. So slide back this way a tiny bit. We'll see what's happening in here. You got 7 different vertebrae in your neck. Any of those can go out of alignment at any point in time. With her, it's the first one. Good. And then a little lower on the right side. Perfect. And then also, one more thing we're going to do, one of my favorite moves, shoulder moves. So I'm going to do a little sit-up, Tony. We'll lift you up a little bit here. Right back down there. Depending on how bad it is, I tend to like to do this move first, but I started the other way, so we're going with it. Take a breath in, Tony. Exhale, relax. Good. One more time. We're going to go through the middle, see if I can get a little more from you. Take a breath in, Tony. Exhale there. Good. Good, better. One last little thing, Tony. I'm going to have you turn this way. And we're going to do a little shoulder mobilization on you. So you're going to give me this. And I am just going to kind of pull. What we're trying to do is get some space between her shoulder blade and her rib cage, because a lot of times this scapulothoracic joint gets glued to the rib cage. So it's good to get some mobility in there to open it up. Shoulders like to get stuck. And the longer they're stuck, the more they start to bother you. Does that feel okay, Tony?
Magic.
Magic. Magically delicious. Is that Lucky Charms?
Yeah.
Lucky Charm adjustments today.
Lucky adjustments.
Lucky adjustments.
Lucky
There you go.
adjustment. Oh, that's great.
All right. All right, Tony.
Woo.
You are good to go. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys soon. If you guys are interested in getting checked out, looked at, x-rayed, examined, any of that stuff, you can click on one of the buttons somewhere here. And we got a super awesome offer. But thank you, Tony.
Thanks.
And we'll see you guys soon.